Hey guys, how you doing? It's Arnold from Out in the Clouds, and welcome to my space station. In today's episode, we're going to have a look at what quick text is and how to use it inside Salesforce.
The Eagle has landed.
Quick text is a new feature from Salesforce. What it allows you to do is take little snippets of text, and you can create these as long or as short as you need to, and reuse them inside Salesforce activities. So this can come in really handy if you are logging calls and the outcomes seem to be more or less similar, or perhaps you want to send the exact same email over and over again. So it's not necessarily email templates, but it is a short piece of text that you can reuse on Salesforce activities. So let's go ahead and have a look at how we can enable quick text, how we can go ahead and create a quick text, and then how to use it inside Salesforce activities on different objects. So once you've logged into Salesforce, the first thing you need to do to enable quick text is to click on the cogwheel and then go ahead into setup. So once the setup and backend has loaded up, in Quick Find we type in quick, and under user interface, you'll notice it says quick text settings. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So in this case, I've made sure that quick text is enabled, and I've also made sure that share and organize quick text in folders has been enabled. This can come in really handy, especially if you've got different types or perhaps different teams inside Salesforce that need to use different type of quick text or shortcuts to be able to get through their work a lot quicker. Now that we've ensured that quick text is enabled, we're going to go ahead into the front end of Salesforce, and we're going to click on these 9 dots, which is the app launcher. Once that's loaded up, we'll go ahead and type in quick. Now, if quick text was not enabled, this would not come up. So that's another way to check if quick text is enabled. So once we've actually gone into quick text, we're going to go ahead and create one. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we create a folder to be able to house this particular quick text. So I'm going to name this particular folder spacestation QT, and I'm going to let Salesforce go ahead and give it a unique name. Okay. So in this case, I have already actually created a folder called spacestation QT. So I'm going to go into that folder. Now that we're inside the folder, using the new quick text button, we can actually create our quick text. So the first thing we need to do is name it. So in this case, I'm going to say, spoke to client, not interested. And this particular quick text should house inside leads. So what I am going to do is I'm going to select that this is going to be related to leads, and the field that I want to insert in here is going to be the first name. So I'm going to say spoke to first name, and they advised the business is not interested at this time. Call back in 6 months. Cool. Now that we've gone ahead and created that message, and you can keep it as short as you want, or you can go ahead and expand it to as long as you want. Remember, this is going to work on the text areas that exist within the Salesforce activities. Now that we've gone ahead and created that message, we need to find out, or rather set, where this particular quick text is going to come into play. So for this, I want to make sure that this quick text only works on the phone call channel inside activities. We can also get it to appear on tasks if required, or events. We can also choose to use it on internal and perhaps if you've got a Salesforce community on a portal channel as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now, once you've saved it, it will give you a little tick box with a green banner advising you that that quick text has been created. Now we're going to go ahead and use this quick text and see how it actually functions and works and how it can speed up your time. So we're going to go ahead into Leads. In Leads, we're going to go ahead and just go to any lead that's available. This is a test lead that exists inside Salesforce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend as though I have actually made this particular phone call to Bertha, and I'm going to click Log a Call. In this case, the subject can be call. And we'll go ahead, click on the comments box, and you'll notice that it's now got a little pop-up. That pop-up is essentially where you can insert your quick text. So I'm going to click on that pop-up. When I do, it will give me a range of a few different quick texts that already exist that I've created inside the system. But we're interested in the one that we've just created called Spoke to Client Not Interested. So I'm going to select that particular quick text. And as soon as I select it, it'll go ahead and add it in, including the merge field. And we can click Save. So during the period of one day, if you've got a lot of phone calls that you make or a lot of activities and the outcomes are in some cases or most cases the same, quick text can really help you speed up those monotonous and repetitive processes in Salesforce using activities. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel so you can get all the brand new episodes that are coming up. Please also ensure you share this material if you liked it, and make sure you click here for some more videos.